If you want to transfer songs from your iPhone into the Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation, first of all, just start from your iPhone and just simply open Apple Music. Right now, just pick any song that you want to move into your Apple Watch. Let's say that I want to get this one, so I have to just open this song. Now I have to click on the three dots. I have to click Add, and now it was added to the library, so now I can download it. So I have to click on this button, and right now all we have to do is just to open the Apple Watch application, click on My Watch in the left bottom corner, and you have to search for a music application that will be available just over here. And now you have to click to add music and simply go for your downloaded music, click on it once, and now click on this button, and this specific song will be transferred into your Apple Watch. Now we have to also wait for this downloading process, so this circle will fulfill with the orange color, and it means that it will be fully downloaded. So now if you are looking for your music, you have to open Apps, go to the music application, and right now you'll start probably from this screen. So you have to go for a library, and now you will have to go for downloaded and go for songs. And now when you scroll down, as you can see, you can find it just over here. So as you can see, it is actually quite simple. Now you can just click on it and start playing. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching.